Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing good, great in your life, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. This is your bonus love reading for the month of March 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner. You can check out your other videos which I have already uploaded. Okay, so some kind of new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, I hope it resonates with you. Celebration and new beginnings are coming for you. So I hope it resonates with you. But if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the bonus love messages for the month of March 2021. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the important messages which are important for you. So let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Intuitions. Trust your intuitions, Aquarius. I told you that in your main reading also you can have a look in that you need to trust your intuitions. Okay, right now you are very intuitive. Trust your intuitions. Your intuition will guide you properly. There is epiphany, seek clarity. Okay, there is seek clarity. You can seek clarity. There is seven deadly sins, humanity, destructive traits. Here, let me read it out, this message from the book, because I don't know the meaning of this card. Okay, so let me read it out. This means that either you are being very lazy or being physically or emotionally inactive, okay, or overindulgent in anything to the point of waste, or you are right now discontentment or extreme feelings of uncontrollable anger or excessive pursuit of material possessiveness and power, or intense desire for physical and sexual gratification, excessive self-love and arrogance. Okay, so right now you have to work on yourself, Aquarius. If you are going through any kind of these energies, you have to get out these energies as soon as possible. Okay, because this is not good at all for you. Follow your intuitions, Aquarius. That's the message which I was getting for you. Let's see what are the messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Give me the messages which are important for Aquarius. What is happening? Okay, what are the messages? This deck does not want to be in hand. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Give me the messages which are important to deliver. Journey, patience, and snake. See, again the same messages here, that your intuition and healing powers will guide you to a better path, but be careful. Okay, but be careful, Aquarius. Okay, your intuitions and healing powers will guide you. You are very intuitive right now. Use your intuitions, but be careful. Okay, so this is the message. And there is patience. Slow down, change your attitude, and clear your mind. See, that's why the message is here, that you have to slow down, have patience, and clear your mind. Okay, and there is plain, a journey is indicated, either physically or metaphorically your life will become more full. And even I am myself sunshine, moonshine, Aquarius rising. Okay, I'm more Aquarian. I can tell you, I am also going to travel for next 5 days. I will going to travel. So many of you are going to travel somewhere, because a journey is indicated here, Aquarius. And if you are not traveling, okay, then that means physically if you are not traveling, then that means that a new chapter of your life is going to start very soon, Aquarius. A new chapter is going to start in your life. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Osho Zen Tarot deck. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? No. Guidance is there for you, Aquarius. Okay, there is a lot of guidance which is available for you. You have to use that guidance, okay, from the universe. And there is fighting here. Do not, you are overthinking a lot, Aquarius. You are trapped in your own mind thoughts. You have to stop fighting with your own mind thoughts, okay. There is a lot of guidance which is available for you, so use that guidance. Do not get trapped in your own mind thoughts. Being an air sign, we used to think a lot, many times, okay, I know that. So don't get lost in your, and see, that's why you're feeling anxiety here. So don't get trapped in your own mind thoughts. Do not think a lot. Stop thinking, overthinking. Not thinking, stop overthinking, because guidance is there for you, Aquarius, okay. And use your intuitions, because victory is coming for you, because you are manifesting that. Magician is here. Let me see what are the messages for Aquarius. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Financial constraints. Wow. Cornucopia. What are the messages? I was seeing this message while shuffling also. What are the messages? Wow. Any other message? Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Angel of Strength. You need to keep your strength with you, Aquarius, okay. And if you're having any kind of attachments, okay, you need to cut that attachments here. Beautiful. See, victory. Victory is coming for you, Aquarius, okay. Financial constraints, and here I'm having door to value. Can you see a number, mirror figure 1, 3 and 3, 1? If you're having any kind of financial constraints in your life, that is going to get solved in your life, Aquarius. Door to value is going to open up. Maybe right now some of you are going through financial instability, but don't worry, because door to value is going to open up for you, Aquarius. And here I'm having Cornucopia, and this is the beautiful and the best card in this deck. This is the good fortune which is coming for you. Abundance of everything is coming for you. That is Cornucopia. If you are going through financial constraint in your life, this is going to get away from your life, okay. Because here I'm having Cornucopia, door to value, which is opening up for you. Can you see? Things will change. Abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. 1, 3, 3, 1. See the mirror figures. Then there is actions and Angel of Balance. Chariot energy, which is there in your main reading too. So yes, actions are being taken, okay. You need to take actions, or actions are being taken for your life. And here the balance is coming for you. Here, can you see? The balance is coming for you. Victory is going to happen in your life, Aquarius. And there is third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. This is going to open up for you. And here I'm having second chakra, Archangel Ariel. This is also opening up for you, okay. This is intimacy and creativity which is opening up for you. Now you are more creative, okay. So here the second chakra which has been opening up for you, this is something which you will be, you will be feel more creative, greater comfort with intimacy. When this card uprights, appears in your reading, this means that you have to get creative. Okay, so use your creativity, Aquarius. Okay, nurture yourself and use your creativity, which is the meaning of this card. Then there is third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. This is emotions of desire, life force, which is this solar plexus chakra, which has been opening up for you, Aquarius. Okay, so beautiful messages. Now you can complete your desires because you are having right now the activation of your solar plexus chakra. So beautiful messages are here. Balance is coming for you. The door to value is opening up for you. The victory is coming for you. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the oracles of fairy. Let's add one or two cards from this deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Wow. See, I told you that you are manifesting something. Okay, here. You are manifesting something and manifestation is coming true. And magical gateway is opening up for you, Aquarius. Beautiful card. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in life. Now write it down on paper. Manifestation step 1. If you are manifesting something, you have to be very clear with the universe, because then only that thing going to be manifest in your life. So you can write it down on a paper so that that can be manifest in your life. And there is magical gateway. It takes courage to trust, to venture into the unknown, yet there is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to step boldly forward without looking back. 1144 was the recording reading time. So trust in the unknown, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. Okay, take actions, move in a forward direction. Don't get stuck in a particular energy. Okay, so this was the message from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the grace cards. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Awaken. Keep your eyes open. When we decide to live a more conscious life, we see signs of grace everywhere. Beautiful message. Then there is mindfulness. Manage your mind. When we direct our thoughts and words towards the outcome we most desire, we ignite grace. See, I told you that you have to manage your mind. You are thinking and contemplating a lot. So stop fighting with your own mind thoughts, okay? Then there is silence here. Be still. A daily practice of silence bear gifts are highlighted sensitivity to beauty, deep inner peace, and a profound feeling of connectedness to all living things. So be silent your mind thoughts. Beautiful messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from Life Loves You. Let's see what are the messages. Let's add one or two messages from this deck. What are the messages for Aquarius for this reading? I welcome miracles into my life. Be open to miracles today, Aquarius, and you will experience a miracle each time you decide to let life love you a little bit more than before. So you have to welcome miracles in your life. Then there is, I give what I want to receive. And that's right, we need to give what we want to receive, Aquarius. Okay, when you experience any lack in your life, ask yourself that what I'm not giving. So whatever you give, you will receive. Okay, so I give what I want to receive. That's the message here. Then there is, I am worthy of my own love. Write a love note to yourself. What is that you most need or you want to hear? Okay, that is the self-love. So this was the message from this deck, and beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some healing mantra for you. Let's add one or two healing mantra which will help you out. What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me the messages for Aquarius. Demystifying the darkness. My shadow shows me where my love needs to send. And see, same message. I'm worthy of my own love. Demystifying the darkness. Your shadow shows where your love needs to be sent. Okay, you can write a love note to yourself, that what you most need. Okay, what is that you need most or want to hear about yourself. So this is that healing mantra which you can use in your life. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some message from the Crystal Spirits Oracle deck, and let's see what are the messages for the Aquarius for this reading. What are the messages? Give me the message. What are the message? Pirate. This is the Pirate card which I got for you. Let me read it out. This is knowing your worth. See, thank you for giving the message. Okay, this is same. I am worthy of my own love. This is the inherent value, knowing your worth, self-appreciation, genuine abundance and prosperity within yourself. Okay, so this is beautiful message. This is means that you have to appreciate the abundance that the conscious universe has provided, an abundance of opportunities, resources, support, and most importantly love. Okay, so beautiful message is here for you, Aquarius. Okay, so start appreciating yourself first. So this is the message from the Crystal Spirits. Thank you, Crystal Spirits, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the Native Spirits. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for this reading. Give me the messages which are important for Aquarius. Give me the message. Give me the message which are important for this reading. What are the messages? 1 minute. Okay. What are the messages? Song of the Wild. Beautiful cards. The cards are so beautiful. This means new horizons are waiting for you, Aquarius. You are ready to savor the wonders of the world. Take some risk. Answer the call of the wild. Step out of your comfort zone. Live passionately. Take steps in the direction of freedom. Expand beyond your limitations and boundaries. Maybe it's time to take a journey or do something new or exciting. Beautiful. New horizons are waiting for you. Okay, so beautiful message from this deck. Thank you, Native Spirits, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from the Super Attractor, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Okay, no, one more deck is there. I need to add one more message for you. Okay, let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. I can do less and attract more. Beautiful. I can do less and I can attract more. So that's the message here. And there is a universe. The universe is always conspiring to support me, guide me, and lead me compassionately towards the highest good. So beautiful messages. I love it. Let's add some affirmations from the Affirmations Love and Relationship deck. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Let's add one or two cards. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Initiative. Step right up. You are being awarded a boost of initiative. This potent portion will give you the gusto you need to move your life in a previously unexplored direction. If you are in a relationship, then it's time to take initiative and make some interesting plans for you and your partner. If you are not in one, it's time for you to reach out old friends and go on adventures and potentially meet new courts. Either way, this great journey is beginning with one small step or one short text or whatever. I'm not your boss of you. Bonus cards. Okay, so see the same messages here, that you have to take the initiative in the forward direction, move in a forward direction, plan something for yourself, go out on a journey is indicated in your reading, Aquarius. Okay, journey is indicated. You have to take some kind of journey, or you are going on a journey here. If you're not going, then you can plan some kind of new journey. Okay, so this was your bonus love message, bonus love reading for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing energy and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.